Good morning, children. Today we will start our work in art activity book. Today's work we need art activity book. With that we need a pencil as well as scissor. You have to take all these things and open page number 57 and write down today's date first year 06/01/2021. Children, today we will learn how we should do the paper craft work. Here they given one paper craft work. In this what they given that observe and follow the steps to make a paper cut design. Take the craft sheet from page number 55 and cut the square. See children, here they given one picture. For this they given the color paper in a page number 56. So what you have to do, you have to turn this paper and take a scissor. With the help of the scissor you have to cut this one. Okay children, you have to cut this square. See children, on the black line you should cut like this neatly. You should use a nice scissor. Don't use the scissor whatever your mummy will use in the kitchen. Okay, she will use in the kitchen to cut a milk cover or cut some vegetables cover like that. No, don't use that scissor. After cutting like this, your paper will looks like this children. First what you have to do, now you have to fold this one into center like this. See here, when we fold it will looks like this. Okay, then you should fold it into next half. Like this you should fold. Now what you have to do, you have to take a scissor and cut this one. And according to that you have to cut. Observe how I am cutting. You should also cut same like that children. Up to the mark you should cut. On the black line only you should start to cut children. Then now we cut it this side. Now we will start to cut from this side children. Cut carefully. When we cut, it will looks like this children. Now what you have to do, you have to open this one. And like this carefully children, otherwise your paper will tear. See children, it will looks like this. Now what you have to do, you have to open this. It will be, okay children, it will be looks like this. While when you are opening this paper now, that time if you open suddenly like this, that time the paper will tear and your whole picture will be like this. Carefully you should open, okay? While cutting also you should see the mark. Here however they given the mark now. See children, first you have to fold it into middle like this. Fold it into center like this, okay? Then another one fold you should do. And here how they given the mark, you have to see that. According to that you have to start to cut. See children, start from the folding. Start from the folding. See here, this line will start from folding, okay? You have to start from there up to here. You should cut. No one should cut full, okay? You have to observe that. According to that only you have to cut children, okay? While you are doing this work, if you have any doubt, you can call me and clarify your doubt children, okay? Thank you.